Hey, Mike Callahan with a quick video wondering how to handle damage cases in your business. Are your employees constantly breaking things, or maybe just occasionally breaking things, and you need a way to track the fixing of the damage and how many times a certain employee damages something? So the first thing you need to go is into CRM settings and go in and select to-do types and add damage. So we're going to put damage in here. We're going to put to-dos and calls. System type is an account issue. And we're going to mark as active and damage. And then we're going to hit save. Next thing we're going to do is go into a test client and show you how this actually works. We'd go in under here and hit the to-do list once this loads, and I'll show you the workflow. So test damage, and we'll go in and select the to-do type of damage, hit save to do, and we are going to go in and assign it to myself. Details, we're going to set the due date of Monday, start calendar date on Monday, and the priority is high. We're going to go in and select damage status is open. Damaged by, we'll select an exact employee. I'll assign it to myself, and we're going to put a date. It was damaged today, and hit save. Now, when we go into the CRM damage cases, this will be in here as logged in, and that can be assigned and routed. And then when we go into scheduling employees, we can look under my login here and actually see that it's tracked a historical damage case for myself. So if I damaged multiple things, it would have a historical audit trail of everything I damaged. So if it was time to terminate this employee or have a quarterly review, we could pull up a report of all the damage and what it's cost us, and all the compliments and complaints on the screen as well. So as we go into damage cases here, this is the test damage account right here. We can log into that and see the details of it. So if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. But this is how to handle damage cases in your business when something's damaged. Now we can have a working audit trail of how long it took to take the damage and all the steps along the way to fix the damage issue.